Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Discord. So if you've set a certain password for your Discord account but feel like changing it, these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection and then head over to your Discord app. As you open the app, you will land on an interface like this. If you want to change your password, first of all, you have to go to your profile. So tap on the lower right corner profile icon. When you tap on the profile icon, you will see different options available to you. Tap on account. As soon as you tap on account, all your account information will be displayed to you. You can see an option that says password. Tap on it. And then enter your current password. Here I am entering my current password. After entering your current password, also enter your new password. After doing so, tap on Save on the top right corner. And in this way, your password to your Discord account will have been changed. So this is how you change your password on Discord. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to App Guide. And also, do not forget to leave us comments in the comments section if this video has been useful to you. Thank you for watching.